Tomorrow, tomorrow, I love ya. Tomorrow.
You're only a day away.
That was quite good.
Don't lie to me, I'm not a singer.
No, it was. No, we're dancer singers. Welcome back to the channel, friends. Come on. It is the second to last day of this voyage. We hit up, where did we go? Mahogany Bay, which is Honduras. Roatan, Honduras, I believe. We also went to Amber Cove. No, we didn't go to Amber Cove. I don't know where we went. I can't remember. Oh, goodness. Where did we go? An hour till I have to go teach a dance class to the guests. We're doing a little bit of a disco vibe. So I'm going to take this time to clean my room. I was literally going crazy because in my last video, when I showed you my bed, it was not made. I promise I make it like at least 5 out of 7 days of the week. But it's just really hard to do up on the top bunk, so sometimes I'm a little lazy with that. I'm a firm believer in making your bed, starting your day off right. Come on, you already know. But yeah, tonight we got 2 performances of Color My World. We haven't done a full-out version of Color My World in about a week, I believe. We had to reblock and then we did a concert version. So it will be exciting to finally dance again. It's a very pretty show. I'm just realizing you might be hearing like water, like a waterfall noise. And that is my diffuser right behind you. I don't know why I set up my camera right in front of that. But I got my diffuser going, LED lights are on. It is officially a frat boy house up in this room. Come on. Also, I don't know. Well, I mean, who knows? But if you have known me for a while, friends back home, my skin is glowing. Glowing. And honestly, I can't say it. It's because of Kylie's skin. I know. Who would have thought? Kylie's skin. But it works. That cleanser that she got, highly recommend. That vitamin C serum she got, highly recommend. And then I've just been patting Ordinary's moisturizer on top once it dries. But before all of that, like when I wake up, I'll use like the I can never say it. Hold on. Let me get it.
A few moments later.
Glycolic. That's what it's called. I use this. I use this, okay? It's the Ordinary glycolic acid solution, and I just put it on like cotton pad. I put it on a cotton pad and I just wipe my face, and then yeah.
Ciao papi, com'è?
Mucho bene.
Molto. Hey vlog.
Slay Queen. Come on, Lyrical. Hey.
Oh my god, Emmanuel did painting yesterday.
How was it?
My normal nights that are show nights, I normally don't get done officially until probably around like 2 o'clock, just because I have multiple loads that I need to throw into the washer to make sure that they're ready for tomorrow. Normally it's just 2 different loads, but you know, I do have to wait for that cycle. It's really not that bad. And then I just hang them up for them to dry. But that's really it. So I think I'm gonna end it here for tonight. And I hope you guys have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow. She's shy. We're rehearsing for tonight's show. Celestial! This is our view.
From you have I been absent in the spring, when proud-pied April just in all his trim hath put a spirit of youth in everything. That heavy Saturn laughed and leapt with him. Yet nor the lays of birds, nor the sweet smell of different flowers in odor and in hue could make me any summer story tell, or from their proud lap pluck them where they grew. Nor did I wonder at the lilies white, nor praise the deep vermilion in the rose. They were but sweet, the figures of delight, drawn after you, you pattern of all those. Yet seemed winter still, and you away, as with these shadows we did play.
Hello friends, it is currently 12:05 a.m. As you can tell, celestial night. It was a good night, good performances. We actually have friends from Shoreside that are part of casting on board right now, and it's great to see familiar faces. Since you always, since you work on a boat, it's nice to see a familiar face from land because, you know, we're so secluded, obviously, on the ocean. It's just nice to see a familiar face. But yeah, honestly now I just sat down to edit this video. Good night.
I got the horses in the back, horses in the tail.
For our friends who are unaware, we have to teach dance classes. And Amani is gifted with country tomorrow, which you love, right? It's your favorite?
Yeah.